En el centro de la pampa vive un pimiento. Sol y viento pa' su vida, sol y viento. Sol y viento pa' su vida, sol y viento.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Patrick Barnard. Bienvenue à la 112e édition du Piment. Hello, I'm Patrick Barnard. Welcome to the 112th edition of the Pimento Report. Today, Elizabeth May of the Green Party of Canada is holding a press conference here at the Ville Saint-Laurent in Montreal in a place called the Techno Park. It's a very, very valuable marshland frequented by rare birds, and it's a very special press conference. I'm going to cite the communiqué that comes with this press conference. Le chef du Parti vert du Canada, Elizabeth May, se porte à la rescousse des espèces menacées du Technoparc. Les environnementalistes et les ornithologues demandent à la ministère de l'Environnement, Catherine McKenna, d'appliquer les lois fédérales en matière de protection des espèces menacées dans le Technoparc. So, Elizabeth May and her party in the Federal Parliament of Canada are going to ask the Minister of the Environment, Catherine McKenna, to apply federal law to protect endangered species here in this precious marshland.
For me, it's quite a discovery that the least bittern has been seen here. This is one of the most endangered of wetland species. And a discovery here is extraordinary. It's under the status of an endangered species, and its habitat needs to be protected. One would hope that there's a way to accommodate all the interests and maintain the marshes, but it's clear that the promises that were made in the past about this pond behind us are not being kept. Au Canada, nous avons perdu la grande majorité des milieux humides et un marécage comme ça ici dans Technoparc, c'est vraiment rare. Et les oiseaux dedans, c'est aussi rare. Particulièrement, qu'est-ce qu'on peut dire en français, le blangiot, ici. Petit blangiot. Pour moi, c'est une question pour la ministre d'Environnement et Changement climatique. Et j'exige à Madame Catherine McKenna de jouer, de prendre son rôle pour protéger les espèces en train d'extinction, les espèces menacées. We have a federal law. It's always difficult, and we know this. We know there are huge sensitivities between Quebec jurisdiction and federal jurisdiction. But we have a federal environmental law to protect species at risk. This isn't just a species at risk, this is an endangered species. And the least bittern is globally very much endangered. To have cited several individuals on the pond on that side of this Technopark, we need to actually pay close attention that nothing here in the development of Technopark leads to the extinction of a rare bird. So for the birds, for our climate, for water and hydrology, you can't put a price on the value of wetlands. They're beyond price.
Madame May, est-ce que vous allez écrire une lettre à Madame McKenna tout de suite?
Oui, absolument, parce que ce n'est pas suffisant seulement d'avoir une conférence de presse. J'ai beaucoup de respect pour notre nouvelle ministre. Je veux envoyer la lettre à Madame McKenna tout de suite.
How important is this demand that you're making for Minister McKenna to intervene?
Every species at risk is important. A species as endangered as the least bittern is very important, and I know she'll feel the same way. Unfortunately, her department has lost so many resources under the previous government, but this is an extremely endangered, rare bird species, and that's the job of the Federal Minister of Environment to protect. So I think it's very important.
You mentioned that Canada, and this is more or less the accurate figure, in the last generation has lost 90% of its urban wetlands.
All of its wetlands.
And so this is a matter of life and death, is it not?
Yes. Losing wetlands has been a crisis in Canada for decades, and unfortunately it keeps getting worse. We don't understand quite often in a single community. People say, well, it doesn't look like much, but it's extraordinarily important to the health of the whole planet, and we have to preserve our wetlands, and we have to restore wetlands that we have lost.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
En el centro de la pampa vive un pimiento, sol y viento pa' su vida, sol y viento